Hello, I'm Matthieu Baulez from Category Manager for Monogastric at L'Allemand Animal Nutrition in France. We are here today in Milan, in Italy, for hosting the 6th LEVUCELL SB technical meeting. We have a quite large audience this year with, of course, a large Italian delegation, but also people coming from different countries within Europe, and also some people coming from faraway destinations. So people from China, from Mexico, from Philippines, from Thailand, from Brazil. So a lot of different countries represented to attend this LEVUCELL SB day. So we are keeping the same philosophy with this type of events as we have done in the previous years. So basically the idea there is to do everything but a direct promotion of a single product, but more to open minds and share ideas on new potential solutions that could be available for animal nutrition purposes, and not to be when talking about intestinal tract and microbiota in the swine. So today probiotic concept is very well documented from a scientific point of view, and L'Allemand is really committed in investing into research to document its live strain Saccharomyces cerevisiae-boulardii, and better understand all the mode of action of this specific yeast strain on swine application, but also looking at the practical experience we may see on and positive benefits we may see on using this product in the field in real farm conditions when talking about sows and piglet applications. So really the aim of this day today is to share these ideas. So we have quite a extended program. The first presentation is been given by Professor Sbarbati from the University of Verona, who is really showing some interest in interesting data in what's behind the function of intestine. It's not only nutrients absorption purpose, but also much more is behind, and is really throwing out some very nice papers and publication on all the chemosensing activity of intestinal tract and the whole interaction with the host and the microbiota, of course. So it's very interesting bit of research he's sharing with us today. The second part of the presentation with Professor Alborari from Zootechnic Prophylactic Institute here in Italy is sharing with us a kind of practical view on the Italian case of the main enteric disease we see on pre- and post-weaning piglets. So covering all the bacteria, pathogenic bacteria, which are occurring in swine, piglet farming in Italy. So moving from E. coli to Clostridium, Salmonella, but also rotavirus, and trying to see the different ways we can fight against this different type of pathogenic bacteria, moving from management, of course, but also to nutrition, antibiotic usage on a very targeted approach. Of course, we are all in the trend of reducing antibiotic usage in animal feed. So here Professor Alborari is, of course, insisting on that point in selecting the specific antibiotics only for dedicated application. And then, of course, we need to find out other preventive solutions. So vaccines is one of the solution, and other microbial type of solution in nutrition can be of help in the different toolbox we have to fit with antibiotic reduction in feed. Then David Guillou from L'Allemand in France is sharing with us some experience on what is the influence of feeding the sows and managing the sows on the development of the gut microflora on young piglets, and what is the incidence on the structure, development, and maturity of the gut and microbiota of the young piglet. Of course, taking into account the different stress factors which may occur on the very young piglet, but also in a weaning phase where the pig is really stressed with moving from milk-based diet to a solid type of diets, and very much affecting the gut structure as well as microbiota, of course. And we have some sharing some data on how LEVUCELL SB can positively influence these different stress phases. And finally, David Renaudot from INRA in France is sharing with us some interesting information on heat stress condition on south, and notably providing some insights on different feeding strategies of south when talking about tropical climate environment. And we see that the formulation is one way to answer this type of stress environment, playing with the different protein, fat, energy concentration in the diet, as well as management practices, of course. Of course, this is a field that still needs to be documented when talking about probiotics, on what we know about the incidence of probiotic in heat stress period. We have some documentation already available on ruminant, on dairy cows notably. For sows, it's still something we need to investigate further, but at least it's sharing some good ideas on the different possibilities we've been offered. So it's been quite a nice event. A lot of participants, questions, and sharing experiences, which is really the philosophy we want to give to this type of event.